We're pulling out a tooth today with a drone. We've tied dental floss to the bottom. Okay, we got this. Let's show the tooth.
Should I record it now?
Not yet. Look up. Let me see. Let's just see how we. Oh my gosh!
Looks like a vampire.
Okay, it's ready. It's ready. Okay, I'm gonna tie the rope around it, and then we're gonna do this.
Are you excited? Oh my gosh.
Don't wiggle it anymore. We can't have it fall before we do this.
Let's see. Oh, cool.
I want to make sure.
Oh.
Okay, stay still. Stay still. Everyone, back up. Let me just get the drone in the air first. I'm gonna fly the drone up. Okay, are you recording slow-mo now? Are we ready?
Thumbs up.
3. Wait, let's just make sure the rope is good. 3, 2, 1. Did it work?
Yes. Yeah.
And she found the tooth. Oh, and I can see the little tooth coming in. Are you happy? It's
This
finally
is the best one
gone.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Did it work?
Yes. Yeah.
And she found the tooth.